Hey girls, this is Miss Gasparini with another math video for my lovely first grade mathematicians. Yesterday we talked about different strategies we use to solve a two-digit addition problem. These include setting our problem up vertically and creating a place value picture chart where we can have visuals for both our parts. This is so we don't confuse our tens and ones. You can see for our challenge problem 24 plus 15, I've already filled out our place value picture chart. On the top, I have the part 24 because I have two tens and four ones. And on the bottom, I have 15 because I have one 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. I still need to set it up vertically, so I'm going to do that right now. So my first number is 24. I'm going to set that up vertically. 24 has two tens and four ones. So that's going to go first. Next is going to be 15. 15 has one 10 and five ones. So now I've set it up vertically. I can solve our challenge problem from yesterday. So let's start solving this. Now, remind me, do I begin by adding up my tens or by adding up my ones? By adding up my ones, you're absolutely right. I need to add my ones together first. So let's go ahead and do that. I have four ones and five ones. I'm going to be adding 4 plus 5, and I can just count them up here in my place value picture chart because I have my 4 ones here and my 5 ones here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 ones. 4 plus 5 equals 9. All right, I've done my ones. Now I need to add up my tens. I have two tens in 24 and one 10 in 15. I'm adding 2 plus 1. Ready? 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. 2 tens and 1 10 is 3 tens. 2 plus 1 is 3. So I've counted up my ones. I have 9 ones. I've counted up my tens. I have 3 tens. So I know I have 3 tens and 9 ones after I've added everything up. So if I have 3 tens and 9 ones, what's 24 plus 15? You're right, it's 39. 24 plus 15 equals 39. You guys did such a great job on this and on helping me use the strategies we need to use to solve our two-digit addition problem. Let's try with another two-digit addition problem. This one we're going to do is 12 plus 17. And again, I've already set up the picture chart just because, I wanted to get that done. At the top, I have 1 10 and 2 ones. So what part is 1 10 and 2 ones? Yeah, 12. 12 is 1 10 and 2 ones. And here I have 1 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. What number is 1 10 and 7 ones? It's 17, yeah. All right, so I need to set up my tens and ones in my vertical addition chart. So I need to set this up vertically. I think what I need to do is 1 10 and 2 ones for 12. And then I think I need to do 1 10 and 7 ones for 17. Does that look correct? All right, great. And then I need to start adding on my tens side, right? Tens first. Oh, really? But these numbers are smaller. I think I'm just going to start on my 10 side because this looks easy. It's 1 plus 1. All right, I should start on my 1 side just like always. I'm going to add 2 plus 7. Who thinks they can already tell me 2 plus 7? Ooh, few of you already know 2 plus 7. Who wants to count with me to double check though? All right, let's double check. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. That's awesome. All right, and now I get to add my tens together, right? All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm only adding my tens together. Okay, I need to do 1 plus 1. All right, ready? 1 10, 2 tens. 1 plus 1 is what? Yeah, it's 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So I have 2 tens and 9 ones. I only added my tens together. You caught me there. I was going to add my ones to my tens, and that wouldn't have worked. I added my tens together. 1 plus 1 is 2. All right, so I have 2 tens and 9 ones. What's 12 plus 17? It's 29. That's right. 12 plus 17 is 29. You guys were amazing on that. I am so impressed with you adding all these numbers together and helping me to add them. So I'm going to give you a hard one tomorrow. We're going to start adding together big numbers. We're going to add 43 plus 26 for tomorrow. We have not added a number above 40 before. The answer is going to be a lot of tens and ones. But you know what? I know you girls can do it. I know you're going to be awesome. And I know you're working on your packets at home. And I'm very proud of you. Keep going on Zern. Keep working hard. And I hope that I see you at the parade today. All right. Bye-bye.